Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we will be doing this hot chocolate look, and of course I had to add a little bit of a vintage twist to it. I'm first going to prime my eyes with the Huda Beauty concealer in the shade Coconut Flakes. Then I'm going to go in with my Smashbox Original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. This is really great if you have large pores, if you get a little oily, and if you just want your foundation to stay on a little bit longer and look smoother. I always start with my eyes first because I don't want my eyeshadows running off onto my complexion, and then I don't want to have to start that over. So I'm taking my Makeup by Mario Master Mattes palette in the shade Matte 1 and putting that all over my eyelid. Then I'm going to take the shade Matte 5 and dust that all over my crease. I'm just going to add more of a chocolate shade each time, so I'm going to take Matte 10, and then right after that I'm going to go ahead and take Matte 11 and go deeper into my crease just to give it a smoky effect. This next palette I'm going to use is from Bella in Argent, and I'm going to take the shade Photo Play, which is just a real pretty shimmer chocolate tone. And I'm just going to add that all over on my lid. The easiest way for me to clean up my eyeshadow is just to get a wet wipe. For my eyeliner, I'm going to be using Patrick Starr's One Size eyeliner, which is the best eyeliner ever in my opinion. It has such a fine tip, it's waterproof, it never runs on me, and it stays on all day long, so I will keep going back to this one. After I do my eyeliner, I move straight on to my complexion, which I'm going to be using the Fenty Ease Drops in the shade number 7. It just goes on so smooth, it looks so natural, and it doesn't feel too heavy on the skin. After I finish my foundation, I go back in with my Huda Beauty concealer. The shade is Coconut Flakes, and I just put that under my eyes, on my chin, by my nose, just anywhere where I want some extra coverage. Then I'll go ahead and blend that all in. Once I have that all blended in, I'll start my contour, and I'm going with my Ace Beauté. Yes, I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. Their Bronzed in Paradise contour palette, and I'm going to start contouring my cheeks, my forehead, and also my nose. For my nose, I use a really thin brush just like this one, and I try to do the button nose look, which I like a harsh nose contour. I know a lot of people don't, but I prefer it. I'll blend it in. I'll try to make it look as good as possible, but then I'll take my Milk Jumbo Stick and add that on my nose as well, just to accentuate. Then I'll get a brush just like this one, a little bit fluffier, and blend out the edges so it doesn't look super harsh, but if it does, I don't care. Then I'm going to take this blush from the Balm Cosmetics called Down Boy, which one of my employees gave to me, and I absolutely miss her. Thank you, Shabaya! For my setting spray, I'm going to use the iconic London Original, which just has this really pretty glittery, sparkly glow. Your skin looks amazing after using it. I absolutely love it. Then once that is dry, I'm going to take my Easy Bake and Snatch Huda Beauty Cherry Blossom Cake setting powder. This is a pink setting powder. After that, I'm just going to curl my puny freaking lashes and use my favorite mascara ever, which is Thrive. It never runs. And then I'm going to take my Makeup Forever pencil, which is like a flesh tone color, and put that on the inner part of my eye and just following the cat eye part as well. I like to add a graphic liner on the under part of my eye, so I'll just drag that out following my cat eye, but leaving a space. I just think it makes the eyes look really big, more dolly. And then since we are going with a hot chocolate look, I'm just going to take a little bit of brown and put that on there as well. And then of course I have to drag out the inner part of the eye. These eyelashes I got off of Shein. They're the Cartoon Wispies. They're super freaking big, but I love big lashes. I cannot get enough of them. And then I'm going back in with my Thrive mascara. This never runs. I'm going to pinch them so that they look more spidery. I'm telling you guys, this does not run off onto my face ever. This mascara is the best. After I'm done with that, I'm going to move on to my lips. This is a lip liner from the Sephora collection in the shade Molasses, which it's just a real pretty chocolatey brown. And then I'm going to take my Rare Beauty lip oil in the shade Honesty. This is just a real pretty latte brown color, and I think it matched really well with this look. Of course, I've got to add a highlight, and this one is also from Rare Beauty in the shade Enlighten. You guys, this is the prettiest highlight I have ever seen. It gives you that glass skin look, and I'm obsessed. This is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe. Let me know in the comments what else you want to see. I love you guys. Bye!